What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Claire. Today I am going to be doing a protective style. I'm super excited about this because I love the look of butterfly crochet locks. Butterfly locks, period. They're just gorgeous, beautiful. So I'm going to revisit this style. The last time I did it, it was, I want to say, December-ish. I don't know, I can't remember when I posted that last video, but I am going to do a different method today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you like the video, please like the video. The first thing I did was wash and blow dry my hair. You should definitely stretch your hair before doing this style. It just makes it a lot easier. So what I'm doing here is I'm braiding my hair all the way down, but I started to braid and then just twist all the way down because it just was a lot faster when doing this. So again, I'm going to part, I'm going to braid, and you don't want to braid too tight because you're going to wrap your hair, and by doing so, you know, you're going to put more attention to your scalp. So make sure that when you braid at the root, when you start to braid, just make sure it's not tight. It doesn't have to be tight at all. Make sure it's a little loose. That way it's really comfortable and it doesn't strain your hair when you are twisting your lock in. Not twisting, but wrapping your lock in. So far this is what I've been doing. At first I started to just braid the whole thing, but then let me straighten my camera. But then I decided to start the braid and then twist, which is so much better because it just makes time go by so much quicker. And I'm trying to find ways to cut my time because time is precious, right? So I did this side and the back. As you can see, I have a couple of rows that I've already done with this crochet method, but now I'm going to do the opposite side, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So now that my foundation is done, I'm going to start crocheting my locks in. So that's the first thing I'm doing. I'm going to crochet it in, but I'm not going to pull my braid through the lock. I'm not going to do that at all because I feel like for me it doesn't work. So I'm going to show you a different method. I'm going to pull that lock through
And then after that, I'm going to take my Freetress water wave, or you can take any type of water wave hair in 1B, and then I'm going to lock that around, leaving my hair outside. Not pulling my hair inside the lock, but I'm leaving it outside and I'm just wrapping it. And I just find this method a lot easier, and it doesn't pull, like you don't have to pull on your hair and tug and pull through the lock at all. So yes, towards the end, I'm just going to continue to wrap it until my hair is hidden behind this Freetress water wave. And honestly, you don't need a whole strand of Freetress water wave depending on the length of your hair. I cut it in half. I cut the water wave in half first, and then I proceeded to wrap it. And this will allow you to not have too much hair on that lock.
This is the final look. I just gelled down my edges. The length is growing on me because it's kind of like mid-length, and this is my first time doing mid-length. I usually do like shoulder length. I think the 12-inch I did in the middle, and at the bottom 14 I did for the majority of the top, honestly. But if you want to play around with length to give it like more volume, you can definitely do the 12 inches in the front. Like, it didn't take as long as I thought it would. I just kept like stopping and going to the bathroom and stuff because, you know, I'm pregnant, so like I've been going to the bathroom like crazy. But I really like it though. I really like it. So it's mid-back length, and I didn't stress too much with the parts in the back because it just gives it a more natural look. With this, try not to part small. Make sure that you are using do like chunky parts, not small parts, because you are going to be using more hair and you don't want your hair to just look too full. I hope you guys like this video. Forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check the scripture of the week down below in the description box. Everything will be linked down below, the hair, the tools that I used. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.